Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to take everything we've learned about structuring a 5-paragraph essay, and we're going to come up with a new thesis and some bullets about it, and then we're going to take that and use that to come up with our own 5-paragraph essay that has this thesis that we're going to talk about. So I want you to take out your writing notebook, open to a blank page, draw a box at the top, and then we're going to have some bullets under, but you're going to fill in the blank. You're going to write this in your box. A person that matters to me is blank, and you're going to put somebody that matters to you. My example for me is I did my mom, but you do not have to do that one. You should do one that is about a person that matters to you. If you need to think about that for a minute, you may pause it and think about it, and then press play when you're ready, because then you're going to have to come up with 3 bullets for to explain about the person that matters to you. So I put takes care of me, teaches me things, gives me advice. So I want you to think of 3 bullets about your person that are completely kind of different from each other. Some of mine kind of go together, but I can kind of still explain them in different ways. Because remember, you're going to have to elaborate on each of these when you write your essay. So right now you're just writing takes care of me. But when you write your essay, you're going to have to explain how they take care of you with like at least a few examples. Same with teaches me things. Examples are going to have to be written after that. Gives you advice, examples. So make sure when you're thinking of your 3 bullets that you have in your mind different examples for each of them. You can pause the video to fill this out, and then we'll continue after that part. Okay. The next thing you're going to have to do is go to the next sheet. Okay, now you're going to take your boxes and bullets and formulate an essay, paragraph by paragraph. So on the loose leaf paper I'm going to give you, you are going to do each paragraph slowly following this format. And you can pause it after every paragraph and take your time and go at your pace. So we start with our introduction where we state our thesis. So you're going to write right here, there it goes. A person that matters to me is, you're going to put the person blank because, and you're going to restate your first reason, whatever your first reason was from your bullets, because your second reason, and most of all because your third reason. So take your time, look at your boxes and bullets, and rewrite that as your introduction. Pause the video and play when you're ready for the next paragraph. Now this is your first body paragraph. One reason that blank matters to me is because, and you say your first reason again. And then you're going to give some examples. For example, talk about different ways that elaborate on that first reason. So for example, what is one thing that they do that supports that reason? So if I put takes care of me, I would need to put like one way that person takes care of me, and then a different way. And then if I could come up with another one, great. The goal here is to come up with as many examples as you can, like at least 3. If you really can't, then 2 is okay to start with, but you want more than 1 example for your reasons. So pause the video and work on your first body paragraph. When you're done with that, you will go on to the next body paragraph. Another reason that blank matters to me is because now you're going to say your second reason from your bullets. So whatever your second reason is, and then you're going to give, for example, and you're going to give me some examples that support your second reason. Take your time and write your second body paragraph. Pause the video, do it. When you're ready, you go to your final body paragraph. Most of all, blank is a person that matters to me because now you're going to tell me your third reason. Again, you get it from your bullets. Whatever your third bullet is should be what goes here. For example, now give me some examples that support your third reason. Pause the video, take your time, use your bullets, use, what you have in your head, and write your third body paragraph. When you're ready, you will go back and watch how to do your conclusion paragraph. And now your conclusion. In conclusion, comma, blank is a person that matters to me, period. Blank is important to me because, say your first reason again, comma, because, say your second reason again, and because your third reason. So you're basically restating your three reasons again, just like you did in your introduction. And just to add a final thought, I thought I'd help you with it. Maybe you can just add this. I don't know what I would do without blank. And you put the person's name. You might, if you want to add something else to that final thought, go right ahead. If you have your own final thought and you want to be brave, go for it. But just to have some kind of conclusion that sums it up, pause your video, take your time. I hope this helped you. I gave you a lot of sentence starters and helped you kind of formulate this. In the end, you really should see 5 distinct paragraphs that are indented. Your intro, your body 1, your body 2, your body 3, and your conclusion. There are transition words, there are reasons and examples and evidence to support them. I hope this helped, and we are going to get started with our literary essays next week, so I think you guys might be ready. See you then.